books, your stories, and earn money every month. Every ghostwriting platform dey pay monthly. So either you are doing an exclusive or non-exclusive book, any genre that you write, once your book is signed and you are getting reviews. Another thing about this ghostwriting is once you you submit your book and you get contracted, you don't just relax. This what I'm saying now is what I should make a different video to give you more details, and I'm going to do that. But in this video, we are only going to talk about how the platforms that you can post your books for contracts. Then after this video, we are going to talk about give the details on how they work, on how to apply, how to write your book, this full details on what to do so that your book will be accepted on time. So now let's dive in. The number one we have in our list is Mesperry. Mesperry is a very good platform to post your book. And I think this is the less stressful one because in your first book and your outline, you are going to just have 3,000 words with your outline. In other platforms, they do 5K words first. Sorry, I'm having cold. Other platforms accept 5,000 words with your outline. For this particular one, I think this is the only one I've seen that takes 3,000 words first and your outline. So this Mesferry, this is the dashboard. To get started, as you can see, these ones in the first page are best sellers. Once you make a nice book and people are reading your book, you are getting much views, your book could be listed among these bestsellers. So now to get started, you click on create center. This is where you start posting your books. But you don't come here to post it directly first. You have to edit your book properly in Google Docs. Once you're done editing your books, then you can now bring it in here because you are going to edit it first and check for errors. Your formatting should be very, very good. You should know where you have to put your full stop. You should know where you have to put your comma, your hyphen properly. So now stick around this video and watch it to the end. So I'm going to give you some insider tips on how you can get your book signed on time. So without wasting much of your time, let me welcome those that are joining me for the first time. If today is the first time I'm watching this video, you're welcome. I really appreciate you, and you're in the right place. So today's video is about ghostwriting. So you can actually check our other videos and watch what we've covered. And thank you for joining. Watch this video to the end and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. So for the returning subscribers, I really appreciate you for coming back. You are in the right place. Thank you so much. I'll be posting interesting content for you guys. So let's make this money together. Thank you. Now let's continue. So as I said earlier, we are only listing them. Then tomorrow I'm going to give full details on this particular platform. Then in other video I'm going to give details until we finish this episode. So I think this is the first episode. Now this is Mess Berry platform. To get started, you have to click on create a new book. Now let's go to the next one. The next one is mobile reader. This is the home page. You can actually use the app. You can use the websites on your phone, on your computer, whichever one you have. Now to get started as an author, you click on create. This is where you get started. Then you click on join now. Click on new story and start uploading your books. Then number 3 is tap read. Tap read is a very good platform. They don't give stress at all. But your first 5,000 words are your outline. Unlike Mess Perry that is 3,000 words, but this particular one is 5,000 words. For submission, it will go under review for like a week or two. Then you continue writing. Then our next one is novel snack. So this is your home page. Once your book is being read by viewers, it will be counting over here. So then if you want to start writing, click on start over here. Now the next one is iReader. I do not want to make this video to be long, so I don't want to be lodging into them. We're only listing them. So I'm only typing it on the website so that you guys will see that it's actually existing. So now the next one is iStream. iStream also is a very good platform. I think iStream has been existing for like more than 5 years now, and they are paying very well. Once you are done registering, you click on Auto Center and get started. The next one in our list is web novel. Create your account and click on create and start uploading your books. Now the last one we have here in our list, this is not all I have, but I'm going to make this video short. Next time I will list more of it. So the last we have here is Uprighter. Once you are done creating your account, then you go to Auto Center and start uploading your book. So now, as I said earlier, I'm going to post another video. I'm going to pick one or two of these platforms and we are going to upload a book together. We are going to, first of all, the first stage is to upload like 5,000 words and an outline. So I'm going to teach you how to create an outline. You're going to learn how to edit your outline, the things, the step-by-step guide on how to write your outline, and your 5,000 words, how to format it, how to check spelling errors, how to make sure that is your story is not plagiarized. So thank you guys for watching. This is the end for today's video. Don't forget to like it, share it, and comment in the section. If you know any question you need to ask, you are free to send it in the comment section. I will reply you. Thank you. Bye.